Next, we are going to study about the aluminium smelting. Aluminium smelting is the process of extracting aluminium from its oxide, alumina. It requires a lot of heating and melting process. Aluminium smelting is the second most important metallurgical industry in India. Aluminium is light, resistant to corrosion, good conductor of heat, malleable and becomes strong when mixed with other metal. It is used in the manufacturing of aircraft, utensils, wires, etc. It is a substitute of steel, copper, zinc and lead in many industries. Aluminium smelting plants in India are located in Odisha, West Bengal, Kerala, Uttar Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu. And here you can see the process of manufacturing in aluminium industry. Bauxite is transported to industry. Bauxite crushed and alumina dissolved out. Then cryolite, a molten material, act as electrolyte is added. Then aluminium is formed. Regular supply of electricity and an assured source of raw material at minimum cost are the two prime factors for the location of aluminium industry. Okay, next we discussed about the chemical industry. Chemical industries in India fast growing and diversifying. Basic chemicals undergo processing to further process other than chemicals that are used for the industrial application, agriculture or directly for the consumer market. Today, Indian chemical industry is a critical part of Indian economy. It provides approximately 6% country's total GDP. Today, India is the third largest producer of chemicals in Asia and occupies sixth place in the world. Chemical industry, as we know, it is divided into organic and inorganic. Organic chemicals are those chemicals that have at least one carbon atom acid base. Petrochemical industry, polymer, soap, detergent are the fine example for organic chemicals. Inorganic chemicals are those chemicals that have compound other than carbon like acid, base, salt, etc. Inorganic chemical industry is widely spread in our country. The industry like fertilizer, synthetic fiber, plastic, adhesive, paints, dyes, glass, soap, detergent, etc. are depend on the inorganic chemical industries. That's all about the chemical industries.